So I had this pineapple that I wanted to make juice with. Unfortunately, I had to pack some for my daughter. So yeah, but I forgot to record again. But again, here we are. So pineapple juice peels is just from pineapple. So what you do, you just wash your pineapple, the outside part, then you're going to cut it into smaller pieces. I'm going to tell you why you need to actually cut it into smaller pieces. Yeah, so cut it into very small pieces that are going to cook quickly and that you can easily blend, right? So yeah, there are some my pineapple peels. I'm just going to add some little water, and then I want it cooked, so just little water is going to do. And then I'm going to add some ginger. You can add any spice that you want, the ones that are medicinal, of course. So just added some ginger. If you want to add lemongrass, you can do so. Lemon, you can do so. So I just added ginger because I didn't want it to be so bitter. So I let it boil for an hour, and then after an hour, it should be very, very soft. Then you're going to blend. Yeah, you're going to blend it into a smooth, watery paste like that, and then you're going to just sieve it. Sieve it as much as you can, so that you just have a very nice smooth juice. But for some people, they take it like this, which is still okay. But if you mind the crumbs inside, especially if you're going to give it to your kids, then I might advise you to just sieve it. Yeah, sieve it as much as you can. Make sure you get all the juices from this, because this really helps in inflammation, it helps in constipation, also helps in cancer patients, helps in people who have just gone through surgery. It is really nutritious for your health, so you can actually give it to your baby as an immune boost. Yeah, which is what I actually did. So yeah, squeeze the juice as much as you can. If you can use the hand, well and good. Just make sure you get all the juices from this. And if you don't have a blender, you can as well just pound it. Yeah, pound it so that you get the juice out, and then you can sieve it and then give it to your baby. And then you can add sweetener, because I added ginger. It was a little tangy, so you can add sweetener like maybe sugar or honey. But for me, I didn't add anything actually. I just took it as it was. Yeah, gave it to the kids and my family. So yeah, just squeeze as much as you can, then your juice is ready. Yeah, and you can take it there and there. You can store it to the fridge. If you don't store it the fridge, remember the fermentation is going to begin, because this is pineapple. Yeah, so yeah, you be the one to choose. Yeah, be the one to make the decision on that, either to leave it to ferment or just take it and or just store it in the fridge. Yeah, so that's my juice, guys. Very conk, very nutritious, very healthy, and very natural. Yeah, hope this helps. Bye.